welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be looking at the Gel Box mystery subscription box for the month of October, which is obviously Halloween month, and the box represents that. As you can see, it has a woman with a skull makeup on. It is a very nice box, and yeah, let's get into it and see what we get in there, guys. So first things first, I'm just going to take out all this rubbish that's on there. And the first thing we've got is a card that we get every month with it, and that allows you to come up with your own nail design, which is very cute, and it matches the box that it comes in. We also get a tarot card. I think these are randomly put in, and I've got Queen of the Dead, card number 31. We also get a sticker with a design that the nail artist has come up with. So as you can see, we're probably getting some red, black and silver colours, maybe some stickers inside. So the next thing we have is this. Looks like some designs printed on some paper that has been laminated. I think for this, what you're meant to do is, using your gel polishes, you can like stencil out the design with your gel polish. You can cure it, then peel it off, and then attach it to your nail like a sticker. I've never done anything like that, so I will probably have a little go off camera, see how I get on, and then I can show you guys in a later video. We also get this black little envelope, so let's see what's inside. Right, okay, so the first thing we've got is this. It looks like a charm on a chain. Right, yeah, so there's the charm. Nice little love heart with a rose in a bronze colour, and then there is just a bit of bronze chain. There's no clasp or anything on it like that, so I think you can use it for the nail decoration because it looks like the charm that is on this nail here. Then in here we've got a little baggie which, if I can get all the stuff out, we've got a magnet, so I'm guessing we've got some cat's eye nail polish in with the kit. Not nail polish, gel polish. And we've got a bunch of little roses. The one thing I am noticing is that there is only one charm and one chain, so if you were to come up with a design, you couldn't have two matching hands because there's only one. So you can put one on, say, this little finger, but you don't have one for this little finger. So I doubt the person that curates these boxes is going to see this video, but if you do, maybe take that into consideration in future boxes, that you can at least replicate two designs so they can be two matching hands. Then what we get every month, we get a cuticle oil. It smells very nice, a little bit spicy. Yeah, not much to say about it, it's cuticle oil. We have a liner brush or detailing brush. Very little and fine, which would be very good for using your polishes to then trace over these lines. As you can see, it would be small enough to do so. Now we also have grunge gel. I don't actually know what this stuff is. That's what it looks like. It looks quite a bit like shaving foam, shaving cream, that sort of consistency, in white. I don't actually know what this stuff is or what you're meant to use it for, so if anybody who happens to be watching this video knows, yeah, please let me know what I'm meant to use this for in the comments below. We've also got some random sweeties in the box. And then we have our polishes. Every month it does come with four full-size nail polishes. Let's get rid of that box. The tops are missing off of this. If I grab one, which is the same brand as you can see, on the top of this one it's got like a cap with some of the polish inside so you can see what colour it is. These ones are missing the caps for some reason. I do not know why. So the first one we have is Bruja. And that is a very deep red with some very fine sparkles in it. The next one we have is called Sanctuary. Which is a dark forest green. And the next one is Black Ombre 50%. I'm guessing this is just going to be a black. Yep, there we go, black. And then we have Full Moon. Which is like a lavendery silver. I believe that this one is the cat's eye, which is probably why they put the black in, because you do have to put it over a dark background to get the effect. So I'll just grab some swatches and we can swatch these out. So obviously the first one being the red. Trying to get an even coat for you guys, which is difficult because I do shake. So that is with one coat. You can see, just about see the very fine sparkles in it. Then next I believe is the green, yes. Here we go, that is a very nice green. Then we have the black. It's called Black Ombre 50%, so I wonder if it's going to be a little bit translucent, which is fine if you're going to be, you know, putting the cat's eye over the top. It's actually not. It is a little bit translucent. You can see the silver through it there, look. There is the black. Now I'm just going to cure that black one so I can swatch the cat's eye one and show you what that looks like, so I will be back in a second. Okay, so here we are. I have cured the black ombre. As you can see, it is a bit translucent. You can actually see my fingers through it. So now we are going to go in with, woo, don't drop it, with the full moon, which I believe is the cat's eye. We're just going to put a coat of that over this black. So that's what it looks like before we do anything to it. We'll move them out of the way because my camera wants to focus on them. Now I believe if we get this magnet, oh, there it is, the sparkles in this should theoretically move when we put the magnet over it. See? And we can go like this and move the sparkles. I can't really see what I'm doing because I'm quite far away from the camera. So there we go, you can see the cat eye effect working there. This is the first time of me working with this really, so I'm not great at doing this. But yeah, it's very difficult to work with this tiny magnet. I have seen people that have like a magnet on a wand, which I think would probably be easier. But yeah. So here are all the colours top coated. We got this red, the green, the black ombre 50%, and then this one is the black ombre 50% with the cat's eye on top. So very pretty colours, very appropriate for Halloween. I think I can come up with something really nice. So yeah, everything we got in this kit were these 4 nail polishes here. We got this stuff, which I actually have no idea what it is. A small detailing brush. We got the cuticle oil. We got the little charm, chain and roses. The magnet to go with the cat eye polish. Our stencil. Sticker. Our card, in which we got Queen of the Dead. And then obviously the postcard. That is everything that came in this month's box, so I hope you liked it, and I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Bye.